Hello and welcome to Helios short clip for major release 2500, this time featuring the basics of the completely revised SolidWorks Interface. The SolidWorks Interface has been upgraded to the same level as Inventor and AutoCAD interfaces so that a consistent range of functions is now ensured. Okay, let's start now. First I would like to show you that we have got the mapping dialogues in SolidWorks only. We would like to extend this mapping, namely by the article designation. As type we choose file property, then we select the file name without path from the source, select the target attribute, then we select the SolidWorks conditions, cut off the file extension, and are already done with the extension of our mapping. Afterwards we can take a look at the new in Helios dialog, as the info center has been replaced by the new in Helios dialog, also known from Inventor. As an example, we enter this part, namely the slide box cover, and thus have completed our assembly. If we now open the workspace, we see that the assembly has been entered accordingly. Now we will get to the new features concerning the update behavior of the indices in the options dialog. At first we see that these settings are set to never, so even if current index levels are available, they wouldn't be updated. However, let's take a look at the difference if we set the behavior to always. For this, I go back to the Helios workspace and check in the part. Then I release it. Now I have to open it in read-only mode, and the slider box cover is on top here. Then I create an index as usual and transfer the index text. Okay, with this I have created the new index, which can be seen here. Now we make another geometric change, determine a value for the chamfer, and save it. So yet we do not see this change in the construction area. Let's open the options window again and change the behavior to always, and also update to the latest index level and check in again. The index level should be updated the next time when reloading. We get a message that there is a newer version. And if we want to update this, we click OK and have the new index in our assembly. These were just a few changes in the SolidWorks interface. There are a lot more news, but unfortunately there is not enough time left. Thank you for your attention and see you soon.